Well, good morning. I think I have it figured out. Good grief. I think. Is there sound? Crayon's ready. Good morning, everybody. Okay. Let's see here. Well, this was a little bit difficult. Just a little bit difficult, I must say. There we go. Hey, good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? What is this? Thursday. Happy Thursday to everyone. Let me get this done. Okay. Hey, Carmen, Jim. How you doing, Thomas, Sharon? Good morning, Roger. Coach, good morning, Arena. Hey, Mark, how's it going? Vernon, NSH. How you guys doing there? Okay. I think I'm just making sure that I've got everything going here. I've got my crayons up. I'm good there. Hey, today, starting at noon here, Doug kicks it off. Our members e-learning. If you're a trial member, that means you're a member too. So you're more than welcome to be there. Okay. Topic today is options basics, using calls and puts and basic strategies. So that ought to be interesting. Yeah, especially coming from Doug there. He's kind of the option guru, no doubt about it. But yeah, that starts at noon Eastern. Okay, so let's move that out of the way. There we go. Yeah. Wow. So yesterday the Bulls found their Snicker bar, no doubt about it, and look at that. And then today they're showing a little bit of follow through. So very cool there. Bulls are in charge. If we look at T21-23, all day yesterday, it just said, the Bulls just keep on rocking. You wouldn't have proved it by me, with yesterday's, the candle the previous day, and then we were down here. The majority of the day was the end of the day that we really tried to drive up here. Didn't try, we did. So, hey, we're back in the game. Be careful with the shorts, okay? Be careful with those shorts. Take a look at the Qs. Qs are doing great. They look a lot like the SPY here. Let's get rid of all that. There you go. Take a look at the diamonds. The diamonds held up, I think, best of all, maybe. Netwell IWM was the best of all, but diamonds behind them. But look at that. Look at the small caps, man. They are the leaders. They're one to be reckoned with. So rock on. IYT, that's looking pretty good. SMH looking pretty good. I would say that the Bulls are back in town right now. Today we probably need Dave all day today for confirmation. But if we confirm, if we can confirm bullishness holding above the T line and the dots up here, then I think we're maybe good to go. Another challenge toward that 700 is what I would think. So that's looking pretty good there. There was something I was thinking of here. Oh, well. Oh, hey, I want to... Oh, give me one sec here. Why isn't anything where I want it when I want it? No, there we go. It's probably because I put it back in correctly. So let's take a look at this. It looks like Netflix was upgraded. Yeah, Netflix was upgraded. Now, some of this in the hit and run room, we bought some yesterday. A little bit of bottom picking down here. My goal with this is to hold it, and I bought a leap on it. And my goal is to hold it and let it move up a little bit. I don't particularly want to trade it with this current position. However, I could open another position in it more toward trading. But this one, I intend to hold it a little bit, see if we can't watch it grow up and get back up there. Netflix is what I would call a champion stock, and it could absolutely get back up to its highs here. Okay. Also, BABA. I saw somebody mention BABA over there. BABA was upgraded as well. I still have a target on BABA right here. I don't know why we need that. We don't. I still have a target right here at, we'll call it 190. Also, Intel was upgraded. And look at Intel. I think Intel's a little high to be buying. It probably needs to pull back a little bit before we buy it. But Intel is rocking on. Looks really good there. Okay. All right. So staying with, I'm pretty I'm pretty easy to read. The charts that I like to trade are, up, down, and up. And by doing that, I focus on that, and I focus on maybe different places on the chart, like down here or even down here, and of course in the middle, meaning, trends maybe nearly breaking out, the slop in the middle, or the turds that's way down here at the bottom trying to turn up. I don't mind either place. We can catch fish in any place, but it's always going to be that same type of chart pattern right there. And by doing that, it has afforded me to make some pretty crazy claims, and I can prove it. We post the Road to Wealth account on the website. It's absolutely free. Free. You can go there free. You can look at it. You can look at it 10 times a day if you want, and all year statements are posted there, and they're not going to drop off just because the new year is here. We're going to keep adding to it. And I've also started using a third-party program to help prove that, and it's called TradeVue. That's TradeVue, and I'll be sharing that as well. But it's where I can load my Tastytrade into it, and it computes it, and it spits out all kinds of information. Whether you like the information or not, it spits out all kinds of information. So that's going to be my third-party backup to prove the Road to Wealth account, because I do get people that say it's not real. Well, it is real. It's real money. It's real trading. Okay. All right. Now, enough of that. So I've got some charts here, and if anybody would like to take a look at some charts, toss them out there and let's go. Okay. Take a look at D-Dog. D-Dog. This is one coming off the bottom. I like this. Nice long-term downtrend. Look at that Morningstar signal. Worth the trade. So let's talk about this. I'm gonna take this, which now, you know what? We're gonna use moving averages as targets. So what we've got here is target 1, target 2, and target 3. It's real simple. Now, adjust these a little bit if there's, some price action there that you need to work with, just a little bit of adjustment, but that's what I'm looking at. And for a stop, what would tell you that this is no good? Well, for me, if it went below the T line, it would tell me it's not ready, because that's my go or no go line. You go below it, well, you stink. You go above it, well, you smell good. It's real simple, So say a buy right now and it closed, that puts you about a 3.6% stop, but that's what I would look for, a stop. Our goal when we look at a chart, we try to time charts, and we try to find charts that have a high probability of moving higher. And when I look at this chart, I see this Morningstar signal, I see this big candle, and I see this follow through right here at the top. Well, that tells me the probabilities of this going higher. Now, it does not tell me that it's going to go up here. It does not, or here, but it does tell me it's going to go higher. And if we see more follow through, higher yet, and more follow through, higher yet. That's what we're looking for. Okay. So I think this is a really nice chart. D-Dog right here. Let's flag that and put it on the list. There's targets with a stop. Let me look at one more here. Let me get rid of this. Let's look at SMCI. SMCI. There we go. Now, this is a chart that I bought the other day. Okay. In fact, I'm up about 7-8% now, and it'll even be more when the market wakes up and we're up right there. So here's another one. We've got this Morningstar signal. We've got this big candle right here. So from a probability standpoint, and that's all trading is probabilities. we're going to look at this chart, and I believe, everything I look at in a chart, I believe this chart is going to go higher. And this is going to be my first target right there. So that's what I'm looking for. This will be my second target. Now, I also may take profits along the way. And this is how taking profits along the way and focusing on not losing any money is how mine and how your road to wealth account can grow. It's real simple. It's just all about finding that good trade and locking in profits as it moves up. Okay, so SMCI looks absolutely terrific. I'm looking for a target, say, between 35 and 36, followed by about 38 up here. Remember to take profits along the way. Stop-wise, I think I'm going to move. I think we did this yesterday, too. I'm going to move my stop up a little bit. Actually, I'm going to move my stop way up right here to 31.56 up here. So now I've get in there. There we go. So now I'm looking at about a 3.8% stop on this if it starts to move down. All right, let's see. What else do I have here? Let's look at SNPs, SNPS. Let me grab a drink real quick. Okay, that's better. We're making a nice bullish J hook right here. Look at this cup, and then we've got a handle right in there. SNPs. I'm going to come over here and take this top, move down like this right here. And we're right at that 50% point, so good deal there. Let's put a box in there. Let's duplicate it. I hope everybody's doing well today. Hope everybody makes a little money today. Duplicate. There you go. So there's the targets I see for, and then there's these up here. So we were already at the main target from below. This should act as support. So target 1, target 2, right? Right now, stop-wise, if I was to buy this, my stop would probably be about right there, right there, right there. So about 508.83 is what I would look at. Let me check something else over here. Let's see. Let's see what ANAT looks like. Look at ANAT. ANAT's pulling back this morning. It popped up pre-market, but it's one I would definitely have on that watch list. Once it does catch a little fire, let's see if it doesn't take out that 140 level and then pop to the upside there, okay? So ANAT is looking pretty good there. Let's take a look at B-Fly. B-Fly, there we go, B-Fly. I know there's one, maybe two members in the trading room that own this. We're starting this little J-hook to the upside. Beautiful, beautiful trend. We're already looking at breaking out, so this thing breaks out. Look at 550 up there as a target. That's what I would do. All right, let's see if I've got plenty here. If you guys don't have any, let's see what goes on. Hey, Jim, Fast looks like it wants to fill the gap from the earnings announcement drop, but it also is too high to chase. I don't know if it's too high to chase right here. I mean, it's real simple. I'm going to go to a 3-bar chart. I'm going to draw a line in here, probably right there, maybe. Back to the daily. Yeah. So my stop would be right there. So you're talking 1.8%, anything below that, I would get out. But above that, hey, we're good to go. And you're right about that target fill there. We're awfully close to it. Yeah, 2% away. I think what might be worthy is let's draw our magic lines on here. And I'm going to delete that. And we're going to put this up. We're going to duplicate it. And we're going to duplicate it again. And that's what I see as targets for fasts and all here. That's a nice chart. Looks good. Good company. What else do we have? eBay. Take a look at eBay. Yeah, I've been here before, haven't I? We don't need that. We don't need that. We need this one. Let's move that over there. Let's move that over there. Let's get rid of this box. No need for that. There you go. That cleans things up a little bit. That's what I would look for, or targets on eBay, and then one more, and then see if we can't ride up to the next one. Very nice trend. Very beautiful pullback. Very nice setup. I think eBay is one definitely to watch. Okay, nice. Let's see, one more over here, and then I'm going to go to the other side. ONTF. ONTF. These stocks scare me. I don't know what to do. I look at that and I don't know what to do. So honestly, I don't know what to do. Let's start the bottom here. We'll look at LAC, LAC. LAC is one that I'm currently in and holding and waiting and waiting and waiting, and I'm still waiting. So we need some spark in LAC here. Once we get some spark in it, then let's look at this 6.5 area, and then maybe we can jump up to that 740. But I think we need to, wait. LAC is about wait. But I'm holding it, and I've got a note to buy more on here if the opportunity lends itself. So, yeah, if you push it up, I'd be very appreciative there, Kevin. Very appreciative. Hey, good morning, Chili. Let's see. Riot. Let's look at some Riot. Riots. There we go. Riot. Riot is a buy. Riot's a 3-8 trap right now. Beautiful trend. Price above the T-line above the trend indicator. That's an excellent looking chart. That's a 3-8 trap. That's a buy now. It's really simple for a stop, just under the T-line there. Targets are very easy. Target 1, target 2, target 3. I wish you all the luck in the world. I'll be watching for that one myself. What else do we have here? DLTR. There we go. DLTR needs to pop up a little bit. So there's nothing wrong with buying it here. Nothing at all. Just make sure your stop is on. Like anything, make sure your stop is on, okay? Personally, I would like to see it move up, take out these two candles, maybe close above that T-line, and then I can see that would be a buy. And if that happens, the stop would be in this neighborhood, and targets, you can see them right here, target 1, target 2, target 3 for DLTR. I think I'll put that one on the watch list. I like that one. Can't see you. I don't know. Can anybody see me? I think everybody over there can. Yeah. Let's see here. Daryl. How you doing, Daryl? I got my eyes on LW. Let's take a look. Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, that's a Daryl trade for sure. Putting in a nice little bottom here. See how we've gone flat? Yeah, let's flag that one. That's a buy right now. Watch for the pop. That's also a buy. Nice chart. And then you had another one, KR. Yeah, boy. KR is not quite around the bottom breakout. The T-line and the trend indicator need to be above the 50. Maybe we get some consolidation, and that'll draw those up. Target up here, main target for me would be around this 67 up here, the 200 period moving average. Nice chart. Flag that one. Thank you. And then ballroom. Fixin'. I like that word, fixin'. I'm fixin' to enter. Fixin'. That's a Texas word. We're fixin'. That's what my sister says anyway. And she's a Texan. FHN. You're fixin'. I like that. That's going to be my word today. You see, it broke the down resistance. Shall see if it follows through. Yeah, that's a nice chart. That's an inside day. If you missed it yesterday and you love that chart, that's a buy today. There's no doubt in my mind. That's a beautiful chart. We're right at this top. We break out. We're at some all-time new highs. I got to tell you, I think I'm all about buying this chart. Stop-wise, I'm going to put about right here, right there. Okay. Let's see if I can figure out a target. Okay. So I'm going to come over here and take this low. I'm going to go up here to this high. And then I'm going to come down here and grab this low here. Go back to the daily chart. And there's the targets I'm going to use. Target number 1. Whoops, too big, dude. Target number 2. We'll call that good. Anyway, nice looking chart. Let's flag that. A regional bank. The regional banks are doing good. The big banks, they're kind of drowning. They stepped in too much water. Let's see. Hey, Mike, CTVA. CTVA. A bullish chart. Yeah, absolutely. You know, I would see if this chart can't walk right up to that 75.14, stop in the neighborhood of $70.83 is what I would look at. Yeah, looking good there. Hey, Sharon, good morning. Arm, you're holding your arm. Does it hurt? No, I'm kidding. Was in it, sold it, too high, time to get back in. With ARM, we're coming up to that 50 period moving average. I'll bet you $100 bill that it consolidates or pulls back right there. So I would be patient for a day or two. See if it doesn't give you a little bit. You may end up paying the exact same price where it is now, but what you'll get is the pullback in there, and that might make you feel better right in there. I'm going to flag that. Nice bottoming chart. ARM has some serious upside potential, and I'm with you on this one. So let's time that entry, okay? Looks good. Hey, Santa. I guess it's Santana. Sorry, not Santa. There we go. Now that's what you call a bullish trend. Look, holy mackerel. Buy the minor dips. I'm with you, man. Ride that train till that train don't ride no more, man. That's yeah. Just buy the little dips. I'm with you. CRWV, one of my favorite ones to trade these days. Look at that. I've got it on my watch list. I don't own it right now, but it is in buy territory right now. I've got some alerts set up. So if it triggers my alerts, I just might be right back in at rally. Like I say, this is one of my favorite charts these days to trade. Looks great. Okay. Walmart. I love Walmart. I do. I bought some Walmart yesterday. And here we are just moving sideways up here. Target 1, target 2. Nice pop to the upside. I think it's looking great. Keep your stop in there. Right now, my stop would be, in the neighborhood of 118.30. Let me see if I came close. I did. Look at that. All right. Close enough for our work. There we go. So let's see here. Hey, Kevin, missed the 3-8 trap breakout yesterday. I'm not sure on what stock you're looking at, but all righty. I might have a couple more here. Let's look at Irene. Irene is another one that I bought yesterday, and we're holding up pretty well today. Putting in that 3-8 trap, nice little flag right here. Let's see if it can't manage to sneak up to target. This is target 1, so target 2, target 3, target 4 up here. We'll see if that happens. Take a look at TQQQ. TQQQ. If somebody's looking to trade the Qs, but you can't afford to trade the Qs, well, this might be one to look at. $54. We're setting up right here, and the next target to the upside. Well, here, let's see here. Target 1 will be to get through this. We'll call it 55. And then target up here around 56.80 on TQQ. And then Wolf. How about some Wolf? Look at that Wolf setting up. Just now, over the 50 period moving average, we're consolidating, looking for that breakout. Target 1, target 2, target 3. Let's see. UNH. UNH is a buy. UNH is an absolute buy right now. Right now, right this second. Beautiful. Target 1, target 2 up here. Great little sideways motion. Here we've lifted up a little bit. We're holding that lift, and now we're showing bullish and go follow through right there. It's a beautiful chart. Let's go look at CNC kind of the same thing. Might want to watch this one here. Also setting up. QBTS. QBTS. I would probably need to see some buyers on this, Sonny, myself. It's doing everything I would want it to do. It is. Overall, we're making an uptrend. Here we've rallied, we've pulled back. I just think that we need to see some buyers in there on that one there. All right, let's see. One more, and then we probably could call it a day, ET. It's a little high, maybe to be trading, but that doesn't matter. I guess, what a person could do is just put your stop on and buy it. And if it moves up, just move that stop up. But for me, this would have been the area to buy maybe. Yeah, that pullback there. A little high for me to buy. It's overall just maybe a little stretched. Okay. And I want to thank everybody that comes to our 8:30 Charts and Target show. But I also would like to hear back from everybody. How can we improve it? What can I do? What are some things that you would like to see? What are some things you would like to hear about? Please don't be bashful. Lean to me and do that. In the room, you can private message me if you want. My email is rick@ricksadler.com. Let me know what you're after. What would make this better for you? Okay. So until I hear back, which I really hope I hear back from some people, we'll see what we can do. Okay. In the meantime, remember to check us out on social media. Give us a thumbs up on that YouTube and the other social medias. And we'll see the members at the bottom of the hour. And let's get started on today. Okay. Everyone, thank you very much for being here. You guys all take care. Be safe. And don't forget about the Discord room for non-members. You can hop over there. There's a little chatter there during the day. It's getting better and better and better. We're learning more about Discord, and it's really kind of cool. So you guys all take care. Thank you.